This is the JDC Show.
Hey guys, this is our first time meeting. I am Joseph. I went to the parlor with my mom to get a haircut. And I also asked my mom if I could dye my hair green. What? Green. Say that one more time. Green. And here's how it went. Jay from the Hair Cuttery in Germantown first started with cutting my hair and shaving the sides. She proceeded to bleach my hair and I had to wait. P.S. It itched a lot. After we washed off the bleach, she then proceeded to use the power of green. Thanks for watching. A huge shout out to Jay at the Hair Cuttery in Germantown for doing an amazing job for cutting and dyeing my hair. Thanks, Jay. And as always, leave a like, consider subscribing, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Dab, dab, na 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 na.